Tadasana, also known as mountain pose, is a foundational yoga pose. It may seem simple, like just standing still. However, Tadasana is a powerful pose. It holds the potential for improving both physical and mental well-being. In this essay, we will explore the numerous benefits of Tadasana, especially its surprising connection to weight loss. Many people wonder how a stationary pose can aid in weight management. The answer lies in understanding the interconnectedness of our mind and body. Tadasana cultivates mindfulness, improves posture, and reduces stress, all of which contribute to healthier lifestyle choices and can support weight loss as part of a holistic approach. Tadasana is excellent for improving posture. Many of us unknowingly slouch or hold tension in our bodies. Tadasana brings awareness to these habits. As you practice Tadasana, you learn to engage your core muscles, lengthen your spine, and stand tall. This improved posture has a ripple effect throughout the body. Good posture aids in digestion by creating more space in the abdomen. It also allows the respiratory system to function optimally. Additionally, standing tall with confidence boosts your metabolism. Tadasana is a powerful tool for cultivating body awareness. In our fast-paced world, we often rush through our days without truly connecting with our physical selves. Tadasana asks us to slow down and pay attention. As you stand in Tadasana, feel the weight of your body grounding down through your feet. Notice the subtle movements of your breath. This heightened awareness translates into other areas of life. We become more mindful of our food choices, our energy levels, and our body's signals. Chronic stress can contribute to weight gain. When we are stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. Tadasana, along with other yoga practices, helps to reduce stress and lower cortisol levels. By calming the nervous system, Tadasana helps us to make healthier choices. We are less likely to reach for unhealthy comfort foods or skip exercise when we feel centered and balanced. All right, let's dive into a step-by-step guide to Tadasana. First, stand tall. Begin by standing with your feet together. Your big toes should be touching and your heels can be slightly apart if needed. Make sure to distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Next, ground down. Press down firmly through all four corners of your feet, the big toe mound, the little toe mound, and both sides of your heels. Lift and spread your toes slightly. Now, engage your legs. Lift your kneecaps by engaging your quadriceps. Rotate your thighs slightly inwards. Lengthen your tailbone towards the floor and gently draw your belly button in towards your spine. Finally, open your chest. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Draw your shoulder blades slightly towards each other, opening your chest. Keep your chin parallel to the floor and gaze straight ahead. Section 6. Mastering the mountain pose. Tips for beginners. Find a focal point. To help maintain balance, soften your gaze and focus on a still point in front of you. Use a wall. If you are new to Tadasana, stand with your back against a wall for support. This will help you to feel the correct alignment. Listen to your body. As you hold the pose, pay attention to any sensations or areas of tension. Breathe deeply and allow your body to soften and relax. Section 7. Risks and precautions. While Tadasana is generally safe for most people, it is important to practice with awareness and listen to your body. If you experience any pain or discomfort, gently come out of the pose. Headaches. If you are prone to headaches, avoid raising your arms overhead. Instead, keep your hands at your sides or in prayer position. Low blood pressure. Stand up slowly from Tadasana to avoid dizziness, especially if you have low blood pressure. Section 8. Contraindications. Who should avoid Tadasana? Pregnancy. While Tadasana can be beneficial during pregnancy, modifications are often necessary. Consult with a qualified prenatal yoga instructor for guidance. Severe back injuries. If you have a severe back injury, such as a herniated disc, avoid Tadasana or practice with extreme caution. Vertigo or balance issues. Tadasana requires balance, so it is best to avoid this pose if you experience vertigo or have balance difficulties. Section 9. Conclusion. Tadasana, a foundation for well-being. Tadasana, though seemingly simple, is a powerful pose that offers numerous physical and mental benefits. By improving posture, increasing body awareness, and reducing stress, Tadasana can support weight loss as part of a holistic approach to well-being. Remember to listen to your body, practice with awareness, and enjoy the journey of exploring this foundational yoga pose.